Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I am a food blogger. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious Nigerian recipe all the way from the eastern part of Nigeria, and this is Nkwobi. This spicy finger-licking delicacy goes well with traditionally brewed palm wine. Oh my God. Can you feel it? Wow, yummy, yummy. So if you're interested in learning how to make Nkwobi, kindly watch this video to the end and do well to drop your comments. So let's get started. In a clean pot, to add our nicely washed cow foot, put onion, salt, and seasoning cube, and some water. Allow to boil for 30 to 45 minutes until it's so soft that the bone can be easily separated. Then I'll be chopping it into little sizes. At this point, our cow foot is ready. So I'll be introducing the ingredients we'll be needing to make our Nkwobi. The first on the list is our ugba. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. This is oil beans. It's very proteinous and nutritious for the body. We'll need some ehuru, roasted ehuru. You blend it with the crayfish, Cameroon pepper, fresh pepper, seasoning cube, and salt. I'll be needing very good native palm oil and the star of the dish, which is the potash. I'll grind the potash, mix it with water, and filter it. I like to settle before you filter. So let's get started. I'll pour my palm oil in the pot. Then I'll add a little amount of the potash. You have to be very careful. Mix properly until the oil starts changing its color and you see the oil will start curdling. So I'll take this process slowly. Yeah, for beginners, for first timers, so they'll be able to understand this process properly. I'll take it slowly. Just continue stirring. As you're stirring, be observant so you notice the changes. If it's not, if the oil is not as thick as you want, you can add little water and continue stirring until you get your desired texture. Then you start adding your ingredients one after the other. Added my fresh pepper. I stir for a period of time. Added my nicely blended crayfish and ehuru. I'll stir and combine properly. Keep stirring. At this point, you can test for the level of your fresh pepper. If it's okay, that's fine. But for me, I'm going to add my Cameroon pepper because I need this dish very spicy. I'll add my Cameroon pepper, some seasoning cube, and salt to taste. So I'll be adding my ugba. I'll add ugba, stir again. Then it's time for my cow foods. Yeah, the cow foods to come in. Wow. If this video is interesting, like to let us know you're enjoying this recipe. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Drop your questions on the comment section and I'll be there to answer every of your questions. Click on the bell icon to turn on your post notifications so you'll be able to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. So our cow food is already inside, as you can see. So at this point we are almost done. So you continue mixing until the sauce gets into the cow's food properly. You mix very well. You test and make any adjustments like your salt and your spice and your seasoning cube. Add in your chopped onion and otasi leaf, and your Nkwobi is ready. For those of you outside Nigeria that don't have otasi, you can add bitter leaf just to give you that little bitter taste that you can get from otasi. So at this point, our Nkwobi is ready. You can see very well, everything is nicely mixed. The sauce is well incorporated, so it's ready to be served. I'm serving this Nkwobi, and I had it with a very chill glass of orange juice. Everyone was just licking their fingers. I encourage you to make this recipe for your family and tell us in the comment section how it came out. I'll see you in my next video. Like, comment and share. Bye bye.